Hi friends, in this video let us solve a similar system related question asked in GATE 2020 paper. The question is, if x of n is 1 by 3 modulus n minus 1 by 2 power n u of n, then ROC of z transform in the z plane. So what they have given, x of n is equal to 1 by 3 power mod n minus 1 by 2 power n u of n. It is common. Right, so for this we have to find ROC. We know a mod n u of n, for that z transform as a squared minus 1 divided by a z by z minus a z minus 1 by a, where ROC is a less than z less than 1 by a. In our problem, instead of a we are having 1 by 3. So ROC of 1 by 3 power mod n u of n is between 1 by 3 mod z. A is equal to 1 by 3. This is our 3 for this. Next one, we know for ROC of an u of n is mod z is greater than a. So for our problem, it is 1 by 2. So ROC of 1 by 2 power n u of n is mod z is greater than 1 by 2. So we have to find the overlapping region. So here mod z is greater than 1 by 3, that is 0.3. So this one goes from 0.3 to 3. This one is 0.2, 0.2, 1 by 2 is 0.5, 0.5 to infinity. What is the overlapping region? 0.5 to 3. So combined ROC is 1 by 2 to 3. Right, it is simplest way. So the answer is 1 by 2 to 3. Option C is a right answer. Thank you.